So it is now time for us to move on. We're going to talk a little bit about the Down Syndrome Family Network and what they are doing, because on March 21st we commemorate World Down Syndrome Day. I have with me Natalie Mohammed, who is a Director Volunteer Coordinator at the Down Syndrome Family Network. Good morning and welcome.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So the Down Syndrome Family Network, what is happening with that organization?
All right, now we have a lot of events because, as you know, World Down Syndrome Day is on the 21st of March. And to kick off that, we have our first event, which is called Lots of Socks campaign. So it's where everybody comes together. They wear socks. They wear brightly colored socks, funky socks, mismatched, three pairs. And you wear this. The reason behind it is to create awareness about persons with Down syndrome. Although they may look different, they are alike like us. It's the same concept with the socks. You wear black socks, white socks. It serves the same purpose.
Okay, because I was going to ask you, what is the significance of having, for people wearing different colored socks?
Yeah, it's to just create that talk. If you see somebody wearing a funky socks, like, why are you wearing this? And that now it starts the conversation, and I am trying to create awareness about persons with Down syndrome and their abilities and what they are capable of in society.
This initiative with the socks is something that we have had in Trinidad and Tobago before.
We've been celebrating this for the past couple of years. Yeah,
and so the response has been pretty okay, hasn't it?
It has taken off fantastically. They are doing it right now in schools, and we try to get the schools now to partake in it. If the students want to wear the socks, they have to know the reason behind it. They just can't wear it because it's a day of wearing funky socks. They have to do a write-up. They have to do some project-based thing that they would know now the reason behind why they are wearing these socks.
So the Ministry of Education was approached with this, or?
A lot of schools, we've written to schools, we've gotten permission. Schools they have contacted us, yeah.
So it's going to be somewhat of an education drive with young people?
It is. It's,
okay. And this is something that you're going to start for the first time?
No.
So you've done it before?
We've done it before.
What has been the response like?
It has been fantastic. Some of the schools, they've used it for fundraisers where they ask the students, you pay like a little $5 towards donation and to wear the socks. And then they contribute that now towards DSFN and our works.
Do you have numbers as it relates to people in Trinidad and Tobago who may have Down syndrome? Or?
Statistically, we don't have numbers for Trinidad and Tobago. We are trying to work on it, but it is a lot of work because we have to get in contact with the hospitals because the private and public health care.
Yeah, it's a difficult system sometimes.
It is.
So Down Syndrome Family Network would be hosting the annual World Down Syndrome Day conference. When is that taking place?
Yes, this year will be our 8th year in hosting this conference. It's United Nations World Down Syndrome Day. It's a recognition. So unfortunately, we are not having it on the day of World Down Syndrome Day, but we have the Lots of Socks campaign. Our conference will be held on the 22nd of March at the Hyatt Regency in Trinidad and the 25th of March in Mandel in the Grand in Tobago.
Okay, and for people to get more information as it relates to this, and is it something that you have to pre-register for, buy tickets or something?
It is a paid event. It's a conference. It's $300. You could, persons who are interested, they could visit our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, also our website, and they will get further information.
What is the website?
The website is DS Family Network at org.com.
Right.
Yeah.
So people can go on there to get more information as it relates to that. Now, the keynote speaker will be Emmanuel Bishop.
It is. He's well known. He has spoken in 3 continents. He's a musician. He's very athletic. He has medals in golf, swimming. He's fantastic.
So that is something for people to
and
look
he's going
forward
to add our country to his list of countries visited. Yeah.
What was the turnout like for the past 7 years?
It has been great. It has been fantastic. We usually try to get a lot of persons who are involved, not just persons who are teachers or social workers, but we want parents to come because the information that we are giving out is for professionals, parents, teachers, social workers, everybody to come and get this information so that they could help.
But then what? So they get the information and then what?
Then what? Then we help them get the information, and now with this information, they could in turn help the individuals with Down syndrome survive in society and be included in all activities.
All right, well, I want to wish you all the best with this event that is coming up on March 22nd at Hyatt Regency, and then on March 25th at the Magdalena Grand Beach Resort in Tobago. The Down Syndrome Family Network would be hosting the annual World Down Syndrome Day Conference. Remember, you can check out the Down Syndrome Family Network's website for more information on that. Natalie Mohammed, thank you very much for coming on and sharing this very important information with us. We take a break and come back with more. Stay with us.